Let's get started with our exercises for our back in proper posture. Have your hand weights nearby, closest to the side of your mat where your head is. And we are going to start on our backs. So rolling down. Legs can be lengthened or bent. Reach the arms overhead, really extending the fingertips and the toes. Pressing the tops of your hands and the tops of your arms and your elbows, we bend our elbows, sliding the arms down, really stretching out that chest and squeezing the scapula together. So it's like a snow angel here on the ground. Give your pelvis a little tuck to press the lower back into the floor as well. And reach up. A few more times. Again, open up the chest, press those arms into the floor. It's okay if they're not touching. It's okay if only part of them are. And again, put those shoulder blades in your back pocket. And squeeze down. Well done. Now go ahead and bend those knees and grab one weight. We're going to hold it in both arms here in both hands, holding up overhead. Again, tuck that pelvis, making sure the lower back is pressed into the floor. Arms come overhead. Exhale as you pull forward. Nice and slow. You're going to feel a little tug on the shoulders. And again, we're using those upper back muscles. Really important to, again, not let that lower back pop out. No arch in the back here. Little bonus, you might feel this in your abs as well. A few more. And last one. Pull forward. Well done. Let's roll onto our tummies. We're going to place our hands under our forehead. Watch me for the first one so you're not craning your neck. Press the pelvis into the mat, and we're going to lift an elbow, reaching ever so slightly off the mat, and come back down. We're just going to alternate sides. Lift the elbow, give me a little twist, and come back down. Lift and twist, you're only coming up a few inches. And again, tummy pulled in. Let's do one more each side. Extend both hands to the front now. Palms are facing down. We're going to lift one arm, pull the elbow back, reach it forward, and then lower down. You can lift your chest a little bit too if you like. Pull, we're alternating arms, reach, and down. I want you to really exaggerate these movements. Squeeze back, reach forward, and pull down. If you're advanced, you could add a small weight to this. Well, let's start here. Squeeze, reach, and down. We lift. Again, pelvis pressing in. Let's do one more each side. Well done. Let's push up ever so slightly with those hands if it's comfortable for you. You can sit back in a child's pose, just giving that lower back a quick release. And then we're going to come onto our hands and knees with both weights underneath. It makes it more comfortable on the wrist. And we're going to alternate one fly with one row. So arm comes out to the side, and then it rows back. Let's do the other side. Out to the side, slow and controlled. Pick it up towards the hip. And you know it, tummy is pulled in. One fly, one row, one more each side, and then we're out of this. Pull that elbow back and release. Woo! Well done. If you're up for it, do another round. If not, I'll meet you on the next one.